Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. You all are staying safe and enjoying vacation. Okay. So during vacation, do lots of fun, be safe, and do little study. Okay. So here is your homework for week 2. I have make a schedule for you, a routine. See, 12th you'll do English, 13th math, 14th science and Islamic, 15th English, and 16th of July math. And also every day you will read something, anything you want, like textbook from Oxford Reading Circle, or from your science book, or from any story book if you have, or from newspaper, or from laptop or mobile. There is the online story books. Whatever you want to read, you can read and write in this table. Okay, you can if you don't have printer, you can make the table in a paper and you can write there also. See, Sunday. So Sunday, what I have read, write what you have read. Like if you read one story from Oxford Reading Circle, you can write it here, and time, how long have you read. Okay, it's like 5 minutes you read or 10 minutes, write it here. Okay, and at the end of the week, take a picture of this table and upload it in Google Classroom. 12th July Sunday, your task is English, and that is matching opposites. See, here are few pictures and a word. Day, wet, old, cold, sour, girl. So you have to find out the opposite of this word from this list, then cut the word and paste it here with the help of a glue stick. Okay, like day. So you have to, what is the opposite of day? Day is opposite of night. So see, from this list you find out night is here. So cut it with a scissor and paste it here. Okay, if you find difficulty doing this assignment, you are very much welcome to knock me. You can knock me in WhatsApp, I will help you. Okay, and if you don't have printer, just write the opposite, see the picture from mobile or laptop or any device you have, and then write the words only in your school copy, and then take the picture and upload in Google Classroom. Next day, 13th July, there is a math activity. That is a comparison activity, more or less. Look at the picture groups. See which group has less number of things and then color that thing. The first one, here is 3 ants, and in this group there is one dinosaur. So which one has less? Obviously the dinosaur has less, only one. So you have to color the dinosaur. This way you do all of them. Okay. Now, this is your science activity. Here are some words and some pictures. You have to write, select the correct word and put it in under the right picture. So, what does stormy means? Stormy means very black sky and lightning, raining. This is called stormy. Snowy. What does snowy means? Snowy means when snowflakes falling down from the sky. Windy. Windy means when air is moving very fast. Cloudy means when sun is hiding behind black clouds. Sunny means when the sun is very bright. And rainy means when rain is coming out from the clouds. Okay, so you heard all the words. Now you just do it. Select the correct word and put it under the correct picture. Here is your Islamic activity. There are some, in the last class I discussed with you that what Allah has given us. Okay, Allah given us place to live on. Allah given us food like milk and meat. He gave us rain, water. He gave us light and warmth. He gave us fruit and vegetables. Now, here are Allah's creations and here are what they give. You have to match. Like sun. What sun gives us? Sun gives us warmth and light. So, match with that one. Like this you do for rest of all the pictures. On 15th of July, we will do English again, and see, here are 3 words in each box, and you have to circle the pair of opposite words. Heavy. What is the opposite of heavy? Light. So circle heavy and light. Okay, then another one, left. What is the opposite of left? Right. So circle left and right. See, in 14 there are three words: happy, quiet, noisy. So what is the opposite of quiet? Quiet opposite is noisy. So circle quiet and noisy. Okay, like this. And the last one is skip counting. What is skip counting? You have to count skipping. Like, see, 2. So 2, add 2 more. What comes if you add 2 more? 4. Again you add 2 more. 6. Then again 2 more. 8. This way you will proceed adding 2 more. This is called skip counting by 2. So what it will be? 2 plus 2, 4 plus 2, 6 plus 2, 8. This way. Okay. Some I have done for you. The rest of the ones, the blank boxes you will fill. Skip counting by 3. You have to add, next word you will get by adding 3. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 3, 12. Here it will be 12. 12 plus 3, 15th. This way. Okay, it is very important and it will help your addition and multiplication skill. Thank you, students. Thank you. Please do all your activities nicely. Every day do little study, do daily reading, and then upload your work in Google Classroom. At the end of the week, I will check and I will return it to you. Thank you, students. Bye-bye.